Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to be going to H&M today to see what's new at H&M. You guys know I am obsessed with H&M. That's one of my favorite stores, H&M and Zara. I haven't shopped in a minute from H&M, so I'm super excited. I haven't shopped in probably about 2 months now from H&M. So I see on YouTube that there's so many polka dots is coming back in season, and I think it's how to, I know I'm not saying that right. I know I'm not saying that word right. I'll insert it right here. But it's so many trendy pieces coming out. I'm just so excited. I need some new clothes. And well, I don't need any new clothes. Y'all know I don't need any new clothes. But I'm going on vacation again, and I need something. I need some more stuff. Like, I got a lot of stuff, but I need more stuff. Y'all know how it is. So today I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to H&M, and we're going to see what's new at H&M. So yeah, and I'm also going to be going to lunch with my cousin Terry. Yeah, we're going to go to lunch and probably have a glass of wine or something. So yeah. All right, we are here. We are here. I need to call my cousin and see where she is. Across the street. It's such a sunny day. Let me call her and see where she is so I can tell her to meet me at H&M before we go to lunch. These are so cute and vintage. I really like these pants, but they don't have them in my size. I wear size 12 in H&M pants, and the biggest size they go up to, well, I don't know if they go up to, but it's a 10. I seen them in black, and I also seen them in this color, which is really cute. Yeah, the stuff in here is okay. It's not all that. I thought I was gonna come to something that look a little better, but I like these boots here, these combat boots. I have an outfit to go with those, so I might try those on. I don't know though, I'm not sure, because I probably would never wear them after I wear them with the outfit. So I'm looking all the way around. They have a lot of sparkly stuff, and you guys know I love sparkles. Ooh, I love this bodysuit. It's so freaking adorable. This is so freaking cute. I love it so much. But the back goes so low. I would have to find like a bra, because I have to wear a bra. But I have to find like a strap to go where my bra is. But this is so pretty. Like, I love this with the black skirt. Oh my gosh, that looks so cute. Hey guys, so we are leaving. Do you guys look at Twin?
Hi, do you guys miss me?
She need to get back on YouTube, right? You guys, the wine got me a little hot, but I did get some stuff. I'll show you guys what I got when I got home. When I get home, cause y'all know y'all love when I vlog. You see how this camera's so HD?
So
every
pretty.
time I move. Do you set yours on that?
No. How do you do that? I don't know how to.
But this the 11.
Oh, I love this picture, guys.
So I'll talk to you guys when I get home, okay? Mwah. Hello, my good people, my friends, my babies, my sisters, my poos. What's up, y'all? I know I've been a little MIA, okay, I know. But girl, whew. Okay, so anyway, you guys, I am sitting on my bedroom floor, well, my beauty room floor, and in 48 hours, I'm going to Paris. Did you guys hear me? In 48 hours, I am going to Paris. Girl, I am super excited. I'm nervous. I'm anxious. My anxiety is all over the place, but I am excited. You know what I'm saying? So I'm sitting here on my floor, and I'm having a little dilemma because I'm trying to pack all of this shit in one suitcase, and it's not working. It's not freaking working, and I'm about to have a panic attack. So I'm thinking, like, should I just pack another luggage and just pay for another luggage? Because I just don't got time. But then I don't want to be walking around with 2 luggage. You know, I am going to Paris with my husband. You guys, I'm so excited, but I am overwhelmed at the same time. So overwhelmed. I have a headache right now. I am eating some grapes and I'm trying to woosah. I definitely need to smoke some CBD oil to relax my mind. But yeah, I'm trying to pack all this shit in this one suitcase, y'all, and I'm just like, so sorry about the background. Sorry, you guys. I have wigs on the floor. So many wigs on the floor. I just got shit. I'm sorry. Y'all gotta see all this shit in this video, and I'm sorry. So, I am turning 30 on the 5th of February, and I'm so excited. Like, I am excited. I'm nervous. You guys, this stuff about Kobe Bryant, when I tell you it triggered my anxiety so bad that night. I'm still having small, like, attacks, but I'm getting through it. But it hurted me so bad. My brain is still trying to adjust to everything. It just don't seem right. But anywho, you guys, I am packing, and I bought these boots, y'all. Y'all know I'm from the South. I'm a city girl, like a real city girl. I'm from the South, honey. So we don't wear boots much, and we don't wear like closed shoes. We usually wear open toe shoes like year round. So I had to go cop me some boots, and I did get some knee-high boots. Not really knee-high, but like some calf boots, because these don't go to my knees. I didn't want nothing to go to my knees, but these go like a cute length that I can wear like a midi dress with this, and I can put these boots on and it'll look real cute. And they like a crocodile skin. These are really badass, and I like the fact that the heel is super short, so I can walk in them for about 3 to 4 hours without my feet hurting. But I will be bringing some more shoes, some flats, just in case, because I heard in Paris you walk a lot. So I got these. I also got them in this really cute taupey color. It's like a cute neutral color. I also got them in, oh my gosh, I got them in this color. I'm all over the place, but I was supposed to go to the Dior Cafe today in Miami, and I decided to cancel it. My friends was like, Bree, are you really going to cancel it? I said, yes. I just wanted to be home. I wanted to clean my house, get my house together before I go on vacation, wash my baby clothes, and wash my blankets. So when I come home, my house is nice and clean, because you know, when you travel, sometimes stuff is everywhere, and I hate that feeling when I just stayed in a bougie hotel and I come home and my house is not together. Don't like it. Not gonna happen. So I'm gonna make sure my house is nice and tidy. But anyways, I got this pair of boots as well. It looks like these. And the reason I got the short one is so I can wear like my skinny leg jeans, my black skinny jeans, or leather leggings, and I can tuck it in, and that'll be real cute. Real cute. What else? You guys, I got so much stuff. I do think I'm overpacking, but the girl that I am, I change outfits, honey. I need my content to hit, okay? Period, Pooh. Okay? We need the content to hit. So I need 2 outfits each day. Each day. Let me show y'all my birthday dress. It's really cute. This is beautiful. And it goes all the way down. And it's super, super long. It's black and silver diamonds. It looks so rich and bougie. I love it. I got a lot of stuff. Even if I don't wear it, I still want it. I got this hat. I did wear a black one in Colorado, and it was everything. So I had to get the white one to wear with an all-white outfit. I'm not going to put it on because I'm not going to wear it with this hair. I'm going to put on my straight unit. You guys know when I want to look bougie and I want to go somewhere and I want to look uppity, I put on my straight unit. So I'm definitely going to be putting on my straight unit. Okay, so yeah. And I got this bag here for a carry-on bag. I found this at the thrift store. It's from a brand that's called Joy and Iman. And I got this for a carry-on bag. It's just a purple, cute carry-on bag. I thought this was real cute. So I'm probably gonna just put all my snacks in here and my phone, and if my laptop can fit in here, I probably will put this in here. Let me see if my laptop can fit. Y'all, I'm excited for Perry. Bonjour, bonjour. I cannot wait, you guys. I always, as a child, as a girl, I was over the top girly when I was a little girl. I used to watch Clueless a lot, but the movie I'm talking about is, I think it's called Parent Trap, when they went to Paris. And I always had a dream, like, you know what, when I get older, I'm going to go to Paris one day. Like, I always felt like that was so far-fetched. You know what I'm saying? I was like, you know, one day I'm going to go to Paris. I'm going to see the Eiffel Tower. I'm going to go one day. Now that one day is here, your girl is going to Paris, okay? Paris. And it's a big deal to me, you guys, because people around my city, like my family and stuff, they barely got on a plane before. Like my mom and my dad never been on a plane before. They cruise a lot, but they scared to get on planes. So I'm just like the oddball of my family. I do everything that people don't do in my family. Like, if I tell them that it's gonna take me 8 hours to get to Paris, they're gonna be like, what? What? You really going to Paris, Brie? I'm so excited. Oh yeah, my laptop fit right in here. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I ordered so much shit from Amazon, it's ridiculous. Oh, I ordered this stupid hat from Amazon. So look how big this hat is. This hat is huge. I thought it was gonna be this size. Are they the same size? I don't think they're the same size. This one look way bigger. I'll show y'all. Yeah, this, I don't know, they kind of look the same size, but this one look bigger than this one. Yeah, this one is way bigger. Not way bigger, but this one is like really huge. And I kind of look stupid wearing this. But this one is like the perfect size. And I cannot wait to slay this look, honey. Slay it. Period. And it's really cute. I'm not going to put it on because I don't want to mess up my hair. And Nikki's supposed to be taking me out to lunch today. So, yeah. I'm going to send this back to Amazon. What is this? Oh, I ordered one of my, another bee necklace. You guys know I always wear my bee necklace. What do you guys feel about this necklace? It's really cute and icy and just really pretty. But I ordered another one of my bee necklace. You guys already know where I got it from. If you don't know where I got it from, then you don't watch my video. So I may not be able to tell you the tea, honey. Period. I'm only playing. I'll link it down below, okay? Yeah, I have to go to the flea market to get my pants tailored because they are too long, and you guys know I'm like 4 feet, and I need to go get my pants hemmed. I got so much to do, y'all. And I haven't did shit. Like, I've been sitting on this floor for the last hour. And I haven't gotten anywhere. I just been sitting here trying to get my thoughts together. Watching YouTube videos. Eating great. So, once I get a little more accomplished, I'll be back. Okay, guys? Don't hate me. I know this is kind of random. I'll be back.